But if this love's not ours to have, I let it go. Tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I thought this love will never end, but if this love's not ours to have, I'll let it go with your goodbye. Diba? Nakakanta din tayo kahit akapi. Pasensya na po kayo sa boses ko. Sorry for my voice, guys. I just want to sing. You know me. If I want to sing, I will sing, even if my voice is not good. Chef Tot! Chef Tot, naimimiss na daw ni Galieta yung hubby niya. In my arms, I promised you. ER Kabayan, PWD, make a love shout out. Ayan. Please connect guys to ER Kabayan, PWD vlog. Just leave a comment there and ayan. ER will follow you back guys. Thank you so much. Just Pet Catty. Thank you so much from Mears. You're welcome po sa ER Kabayan, PWD. Oh, and you'll be in my heart forevermore. Pasensya na po kayo ha, nag-aakapela ako. We were just too young to know we fell. Love and let it go. So easy to say the words goodbye. So hard to let the feelings die. I know how much I need it now. The time is turning back somehow. As soon as our hearts and souls unite, I know for sure we'll get the feeling right. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. Start again, 'cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time we'll love all the pain away. Welcome home, my lover and friend. We are starting over again. Ayan. Ate Lawrence, thank you. We never live alone. Then, nag-a-acapella na lang ako, Ate Lawrence. Spent. ER, ayan, dikitan mo si Ate Lawrence. Very, very supportive yan si Ate Lawrence. At si Asal Vlog also from Indonesia. Galieta 11 Vlog. Dikitan may mga andyan si Chef Tot. They are all very supportive. ER Kabayan PWD Vlog. And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you, you're gonna feel the love that's beautiful and